Olive oil.
Recipe natin ngayon, beef mushroom pepper stick. Not stick, pamalo. Maintindihan na ako ng mga English viewers ko. Today's recipe is beef mushroom pepper stick. Keep watching!
Ito lahat mga ingredients kakailanganin ko ngayon sa pagluto ng beef mushroom pepper stick. Yellow bell pepper, red beef, dried mushroom, onion, garlic, black pepper, and stir-fry soy sauce. And this is the black soy sauce, dark soy sauce, not dark. It's not black soy, it's already black, but it's dark soy sauce. I don't have light soy sauce. Sorry guys if I speak in English kasi maraming nanonood na mga non-Filipinos are watching also my videos. They told me please speak English or because if I speak in my own language, they never understand. So I try. Kahit barok-barok yung pag-i-English ko, at least I'm trying my best. I thought I have green bell pepper in my kitchen so I don't have. I need the green thing of this recipe. So kukuha na ako ng konti dito. I don't know. It's not, I don't know what is that. I think slice this and I marinated this beef for at least 30 minutes. Let's go! Let's start cutting.
Alright, those are the ingredients. Beef, dried mushroom, colored bell pepper, and the French sauce.
I feel nauseous, believe me, never.
Alright, let's do marinade. Dry white wine, dark soy sauce, Worcestershire. There's no light soy sauce here. So this one. Here's our meat. My hand is clean. Use my hand. I'm making life difficult. So 30 minutes set aside. It's time to cut our vegetable. Dito na naman yung kalaban ko sa kusina. Papaiyakin na naman ako dito. Hatiin ko sila. Kasi itong other half. In my special plate. Ew. Hapdi ng mata. Layo pa nga. Pinapaiyak mo naman ako onion. Hagis kita onion mamaya sa kawali. Beef mushroom pepper stick. Hindi stick yung pamalo.
Let's heat the pan.
This olive oil is to saute first our vegetable. Why? Para shiny siya, hindi siya madudurog. It will not be broken. Sandali lang naman eh. Diba how colorful it is. Mushroom is vegetable too. It's part of in olive oil. Our marinated beef. Smell butter. Nice. Ta-da! Mushroom goes to the pan. Again. Alright. Dry na konti. Lagyan na natin. Wow. Look at that. Lalagyan natin ng paprika. Ang paprika at saka cayenne, parehas sila eh. So, ito yung paprika. Ito yung cayenne. Kung wala kayong paprika sa inyo, di, wag. This is heat down. So, at this point, hindi nadudurog yung ano natin, yung vegetable. Parang buo siya. Tingnan mo yung vegetable natin, yung sinisiparate natin pag saute, di ba? Parang shiny siya, hindi siya parang nadurog. So, ganito kung mag-ano.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Right. So, this is a beef mushroom pepper stick. Sandali, at least 2 minutes. Snow beans pala tawag dito. We call it snow beans. Iba pala yung snow peas. Yung snow peas, parang manipis. Ito yung snow beans. Oh, very good.
And you to fight for your dreams, but it's not.
Hi everyone! Kung nagustuhan niyo itong video ko, subscribe. And then don't forget also to hit that bell icon button. So, para ma-notified, ma-updated kayo every video I uploaded. Thank you for
Do
very
you
much
got
for
heart?
watching.
Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only